guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Classic Ani, and as you guys can tell by the box, I will be reviewing MsCici Hair. And if you guys don't know what MsCici Hair is, they're a ready-to-wear hair company. Now apparently you're supposed to be able to pull this out the box and just throw this bad boy on. And before we get into it, I want to thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing. It makes me feel so much more confident to post. Just comment, like, share, do what you guys already been doing. I feel the love and I love the energy. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here are the complimentary items that came with the wig. And here's a close-up on the lashes because those two were just so pretty. This is the box it came in, and the shipping was pretty fast. I'm not sure if the shipping was fast due to it being top priority. But the shipping was pretty fast, and their communication was great. They're very positive. They send a lot of reminders, and I just love how they operate as a business, very professional. I really do love them. So let's go ahead and get into the unit. I'm going to show y'all my gel braids for a second because I'm going to be throwing this bad boy. Oh, heck. Okay, I should have did that last. Oh my God, my head feels cold as hell. Cold as fuck. Okay, so this is the hair. Oh my God, do y'all see that hairline? I'm gonna take it out the neck ASAP. Oh, this is that lace. Okay, let me get up and get closer. So I don't know about you guys, but when I'm like on TikTok or if I'm on Instagram scrolling and I see different kinds of laces and I see this at the ends, I just know that the lace is going to be fire. And the HD kind of had this, but it didn't have that fray at the bottom. When you see that fray at the bottom, I just feel like you got that good. Okay, now let's zoom in on the knots. The knots are like, you can't even see them. This is definitely better than HD, and it's crazy because I was so obsessed with HD, and then I'm coming across this and it's just making me feel like, oh my God, what could be better than this? So it has a naturally plucked hairline. You can just throw this on. I really do love it. It's better for me to show you guys than tell you. So I gave them my cap size, and it does look like it's very fitting. They give you some latches inside as well as combs so that it can be very fitting to your head. I let them know I was a medium cap size, and this definitely does seem like it's going to be snug. The curls are just so voluminous and bouncy. I'm loving the look. This is giving like a nice type of wig you can wear out to work, or you can wear it to a nice brunch. Like, I'm really feeling it. I want to let you guys see the inside of this cap. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this part, but this is like a little hook it has on. This is the first time I've ever really seen this on a actual wig. I think this came with a few other wigs, but they weren't as attached as this. Like, they already sewn it in for you. I think other wig companies like expect you to hand sew them in yourself. I felt like this was a really good plus. Okay guys, really quickly, I was so excited about this film lace because it's my first time working with it. I decided to do a swatch test between HD lace, transparent lace, and the film lace. So this is kind of how it went. And yeah, basically film lace is the best. Okay, so that first swatch you guys see there is transparent lace. I believe that my most viral video was a transparent lace wig. Caught a lot of attention, but it probably wasn't because of that lace. And the second swatch I'm doing is the HD lace, the lace that they call HD, but I'm finding out there's more HDs out there. So this is the HD lace. Now keep in mind guys, it's not going to blend all the way because it's not like an actual installation. It doesn't have that melt glue, and it simply just got to be glue spray. But you can pretty much tell the vast difference between all three laces, and I think we know which one we want. It's not the best, but I think you can see the difference. Okay, so I'm about to put it on, guys, like straight like that, straight like that, straight like that. So this is how it came out the box. Oh, y'all see that again? Look at it. Tell me, okay, look, okay, y'all. The lightning is giving it up, but I promise you can even barely see it on camera. Like, that's how you know it's gonna be flash proof, okay? And that's what you need nowadays, because like pictures or it didn't happen. That's not really true. Live your life, okay? Okay, guys, let's put it on. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's get, the first thing you want to do, you're going to get that black string, then you're going to take your combs out on the side. You see that right there? You're going to tuck that on the side. This is how I put it on. This is how most people should be able to do it. You know what I mean? Just get your other comb on the other side. Don't do it too deep. Don't hurt yourself now. You know, it's just a wig. Then this last one right here, you're going to swing it out back, and then we're going to push up for the finishing look. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. It's messing up my lashes, but it's almost feeling like it's worth it. Because now I'm relieved that I don't have to do so much work. And this is with no cap on. Like if you need glue and you're not good at making it blend, this is the lace for you. Honestly, I would recommend this for like beginners and things like that. So definitely go with this kind of lace so you won't be disappointed, because this is very custom fit. Like without them knowing like too much of dimensions, they have it spot on just by me giving them my cap size. Okay, so clearly I decided to take the lashes off and just put this hair back really quickly. So I'm going to show you guys the hairline for this, because it's already pre-plucked and I'm already falling in love with it. I have this comb alongside here just so you guys can see that natural transition. Honestly, this lace is really good and it goes exactly with my skin tone. That's how. So I'm just gonna go ahead and begin the installation process. I'm letting you guys see this. Also, pay attention to like the nape. I have a flat forehead, so chill out, okay? Okay guys, so basically if you watch all my other installs, you know how I install my wigs. I don't really use caps like that. It's kind of the same old deal. Also, I want to just apologize because my video clips are a little bit choppy, just because I am coming over a cold and I just was not operating the same way. So I apologize for that, and please excuse me. Okay, I am going in with that wax stick and that black spray. If you know, you know, and if you don't, stay tuned, because this is the same exact process I do for all my other installs. I have an in-depth tutorial coming very soon. I know I keep telling you guys that, but please be patient with me because it's coming, guys. But I really believe that this video would be for the beginners, and then the beginners can benefit from this because it is so simple. They did most of the work. The curls are already there, and the curls did not fall. They didn't loosen or anything. If they were a little loose, it literally was because I brushed them out, and that's just my preference. I could have kept them at the tight curl that they were, but instead I just wanted a more wavy look. Again, I want to apologize for so many of the missing steps. I was congested and I was not feeling well, so I couldn't really go into depth, and I did the best I could, and thank you so much for watching.